Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today video session we will talk about comparison operator. Comparison operator in SQL. A comparison operator is a mathematical symbol which is used to compare two values. Comparison operator compare the values and return the result in true or false. Basically, comparison operator is used to do the comparison between the values. SQL provides us six comparison operator which is used to compare the value, that is greater than symbol. Greater than symbol is used to compare the two values. Like that, less than symbol is used. Greater than equal symbol is used to compare the value. Less than equal to symbol is used to compare the value. Not equal operator is also used to compare the value, and equal operator also used to compare the value or to do the comparison between the values. So basically comparison operator provide us facility that we can do the comparison between the values. So when we want to compare the two value, that time we have to use a comparison operator. How to use comparison operator with select statement? Suppose that I have a one table employee and I want to apply comparison operator on that table. I want to filter the data of the employee table based on comparison of operator. Then I can do this. This is a query which I have written: select star from employee where salary equal to 5,000. This query will return those employee records from the database table which salary equal to 5,000. Now I want to get those employees list whose salary greater than 5,000. Then I will write this command: select star from employee where salary greater than equal to 5,000. This command will fetch all those record of the employee which salary greater than equal to 5,000. Now I want to get those employee list which salary is greater and less than equal to 5,000. Then I will return this command: select star from employee where salary less than equal to 5,000. Select star from employee where salary not equal to 5,000. This command will retrieve those employees record whose salary not equal to 5,000. Now I want to get those employee list whose salary greater than 5,000. Then I will write this command: select star from employees where salary greater than 5,000. So basically comparison operator basically used to do the used to compare the two value or to do the comparison. So comparison operator is very important part of the SQL, which provide us functionality to filter the data in database table. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.